channel. Today I have this beautiful that's too much. Anyway, this beautiful sunset smoky eye look that is from Colourpop Yes Please. This one has really pretty, gorgeous, bright orange, red colors that are so pretty. I like this palette and I really like how I can have like so many different pretty looks just by using this palette. Anyways, if you're interested and you want to know how to do this look, just keep watching the video. First of all, I'm gonna use this Urban Decay eye primer just to put it on my lid to prime my eye. I'm gonna use my fingertip just to tap over my eyelid. That is right, my pimples is still here. Last time it took me literally over 24 hours just to cover it with Mosaic. This time I think it's way easier just to put a sticker on it. I will use this ponytail blending brush. I got this in China, so you can just use a similar brush. I will use the color Full Zip. This color set the concealer. Usually I like to do the eyes first and then eyebrow foundation the last, because when you do the eyes, sometimes there could be like fallout eyeshadow or you have to clean up and everything. Yeah, it's just easier to do the foundation last. Then I'm going to use this color, Big Cocktail. Use this a transition color on my crease area. You can look down on the mirror, just to hold the mirror, like look down and look at the mirror. Then you don't have to do like this, like this. I feel like I will be able like kind of, it's kind of poking my eye. That doesn't feel good. So I like just look down and look up. Occasionally just to check on what you did. Next I'm gonna use this Chiku Hoodoo. I forgot, I can never remember the name of the brush. But anyway, this is like a pointed tip blending brush. I will use brush to define my crease using this color Champs. Okay, so earlier I probably said the wrong names about all the colors. I'm gonna repeat it again. First color I use this one is Blend. I use this for all over my eyelid as my base color for my eye. And then I use this Big Cocktail. This one is Big Cocktail. This one I use as my transition color, which I put it over my crease right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Champ color to define the crease, to further define the crease. So just put it like right at the crease. This color is so pigmented. I like it. Blend these two colors together. Next, I will use MAC 217. Yes, this red color butter cake. I will use this color to put it on the outer V area. Pretty, pretty. I like the tab because I feel like this way you can pack the color on the eye much easier.
Then I gotta do blend. Do the windshield wiper motion to smooth out the edges. And slowly drag the color into the crease.
Next, I will use a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I will use this dark brown color. It's called Mischief.
I will also put this color on the outer V, just in a smaller area to add some depth, and blend it out with my MAC 217 blending brush. Next, I will do the shimmer color.
I'll use the water to wet my brush and pick up this pretty color, Spoiled. So pretty. I hate this fallout. So what I'm gonna do is use this French Kiss, this very pretty yellow color, to add some more yellow tone to this eyelid, and then I will add that shimmer color, shimmer color again. I just wanted some more yellow on my eye. I think it's pretty. I'm gonna add that shimmer again. I need to kind of bring this two color together. I use the butter cake again, just kind of smooth this transition, this two color. I do left and right, kind of smash all in.
For the eyeliner,
I will use this DUP Silk liquid liner that I got from Japan. Yes, I love Japan. They have so many pretty makeup.
I like to wing up the eyeliner, then draw the outline to connect the wing and fill up the empty spaces. For primer,
I'll use this RMK creamy polished base. It looks like it's white, but it's actually colorless. Skip my pimple.
I'm gonna use Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation color 06.
First, I'm gonna put the foundation like I usually always do light foundation, so tap it on my face. Yeah, not a lot. I'm not crazy about foundation. I don't like too much foundation. We're like, too much, it's too much, I can't deal with it. Then you use this oval shaped brush.
I like to dab or pressing the foundation into my skin, kind of like how you use a beauty blender, and then buff it just to blend out.
Okay, now I have my foundation and eyebrows. I use this Morphe flat liner brush using this color Butter Cake packet right under the waterline. And I'm gonna use this color
Big Cocktails.
Put it right below this red color. At the corner of my eye, I'm gonna use that brown color again. This is Mercier. Just put like the very edge of my eye. Use the same shimmer color, this one, Spoiled, to highlight this corner of my eye. Burn up a little bit. Okay, that's today's video. I hope y'all like it. Y'all. Anyway, yeah, if you have any comments or any questions, like my video, please give me a thumbs up, or don't like it, let me know what I can do to make it better. Thank you. Bye bye.